I'm Lister, and I'm going to be singing Talking Bird by Death Cab for Cutie. It's one of my favorite bands, so I hope you enjoy it. I couldn't find an acoustic, so I'm going to just do it on my own. I messed up on like a few of the lyrics the last time I recorded it, so I might look at the lyrics a few times. Okay. Oh, my talking bird, though you know so few words, they're on infinite repeat, like your brain can't keep up with your beat. And you're left in an open cage, so you can choose to leave or stay. But sometimes you get confused, like there's a hint that I'm trying to give you. Oh, the longer you think, the less you know what to do. And there's a break in music, but I'll fucking skip that. It's hard to see your way out when you live in a house, 'cause you don't realize that the windows were open the whole time. Oh, my talking bird, though your feathers are tattered and furled, I love you all your days, till the breath leaves in delicate fade. It's all here for you, as long as you choose to stay. It's all here for you, as long as you don't fly away. Thank you for listening.